children, welcome to you all in online classes of Bishop Academy. I am Ashok sir, and today I shall discuss the forces due to multiple charges. It means it is also called principle of superposition. In this topic we shall study about the force experienced by a charge due to a lot of charge, a number of charges. It means whenever a charge is surrounded by a number of charges, then what is the total force exerted by this charge due to a lot of charges. According to this principle, the net force on a charge due to a number of charges is the vector sum of forces between individual charges at any instant. It means we have to calculate the force on this charge Q0 due to Q1 first of all, and it is written as F01, and second force is calculated by the force between Q2 and Q0, and again Q3 between and Q0, and Q1 and Q0, and finally we have the vector sum of these charges, these forces. It means the net force exerted by this charge Q0 is equals to F01, F02 and F03 and so on F0n. And we know that the force is written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. The force between Q0 and Q1 is Q1 Q0 upon R1 square and R1 cap. This represents the direction of this force. And the another force F02 is equals to F1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q0 upon R2 square and R2 cap. This R2 cap represents the direction of this force F02. And finally the nth force is written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Qn and Q0 upon Rn square, and the direction of this force is represented on this direction. And after all, after taking common Q0 and 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, we get Q1 upon R1 square into R1 cap, and Q2 upon R2 square into R2 cap, and Q1 upon Rn square into Rn cap. And it is also written in the form of summation sign Q0 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation I equals to 1 to n Qi upon Ri square into Ri cap. This is the net force experienced by this charge Q0 due to a number of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on Qn. And the direction of this resultant is represented by this resultant unit vector. This is the principle of superposition. It means this is an important principle, and by using this principle we have to calculate the force on a charge due to a number of charges. Now this class is over, and there is a homework. You have to do the exercise of your books on a notebook on this principle of superposition. And if you have any doubt or query, you can contact with the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.